Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In today's video, we'll talk about a text editor named as Vim. So in Linux, most of the thing you see in text format only. And if you want to alter those files, then you need some text editor in order to do that. So in video, we'll see one of those. So one of the popular text editor that we have is Vim. So we'll use that. So we'll go back to our machine. We do ls. As we can see here, we have nothing here. Now let's create one file, manoj.txt. So as of now, it is in the command mode. How you can identify it is in the command mode? Because if you see here, here the file name is mentioned. So if you want to go to the insert mode, you have to click I. Then it will turn into the insert. That means you can write anything. So let's write few things. This is first line. Now let this is second line, this is third line, and this is fourth line. So you wrote it few thing over there. Now you want to save this file. How you can save it? You press escape on the keyboard. Now it is again into the command prompt. Now it is asking what need to do. Then you need to colon, and if you click W, that means file is saved. As you can see here, written. Now you want to quit from this console also, then escape, again colon Q. Now you are out of the editor. Now how you can check whether the thing that we do, um, the text that we write it over there is there or not. So we run cat and the file name. And as you can see here, we have, this is our first line, this is that we all things we already wrote over there, and we have those content. Now let's see few more things over there. So how we do that? Again open that. So now, as of now, it is in the um, what to say, in the command prompt. So it is asking for what to do. So there is one, if you, in the command prompt, if you press J, then it will go to left. And how many character? One character. If you can see here, I'm pressing H, and it is going one character left. Okay. And if you want to go up and down, then you can press H, sorry, J. J for down. You can also use the navigation. I usually use navigation, but if you want, we have the J also. Like using the J, you can navigate from one line to another. There is one more K. So K is just opposite of that. If you want to go to the upper line, you can click K. So this is also a good option, but I suggest you to use the navigation, as it is so easy on that. And there's one more L. So if you want to go to right of your like you want to move the cursor, then L will move your cursor. And if you want to delete, let's suppose I want to delete this space, how you do? DD, that got deleted. There's no way to like um, again have that. Now let's, if we again into that, now let's, this is third line. Okay, now we have that. Now again, how we do that? Escape colon WQ. Sorry, it's still in the escape mode. It is not in the command prompt. Escape WQ ls cat no txt. So here you have it. And there is one more thing that you can do with a cat. So how we can do that? Let's see. So let's create one file, cp mano.txt, and this manoj1.txt. Okay. So now we have two files. Now let's concatenate those files. Manoj dot with Manoj 1. Okay, so it just show the concatenate output of both the file. So yeah, this is about the Vim. You can check for yourself. I will add these command in the description so you can check and you can try for yourself. So this all about this video. In the next video, we'll talk about the process management, how you can see what are the current process in the system and all those things. So that's all for this video. If hit like to this video, if you want to share with your friend, just share with. If you want have any query, just comment it down. I will get back to you. So till the next video, peace.